Hello, and in today's tutorial we are just going to focus on a very simple stitch. It is the single crochet stitch. So I will be putting on the screen what it is often referred to as in US abbreviations, because we use US terminology here, and so that you can also use this tutorial to learn how to read patterns. All of my tutorials are designed to help you learn how to read patterns as well. So we're going to start by doing our slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your fingers twice, hook under the first loop, hook the second loop, pull through and pull through, and there you've got your slip knot. Now, just for the basis of this short tutorial, we are going to crochet 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, in the second chain from the hook, so we'll have 9 stitches, we are going to insert our hook, going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through both loops. It's as simple as that. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through again. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through again. Really that easy. So we'll do this across our 9 chains. Righty-ho. So there's your 9 single crochet. You should feel proud of yourself if you are new to crochet and you've just managed that. And I mean it. So then we're going to chain 1, and what we're going to do is we're going to work through both these loops, so you can see that there are 2 loops there. Going to insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through both the loops, and again. I'm hoping this is clear. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through again. Through the loops, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again and pull through. It's really that easy. I know it doesn't look it to start with, but it really is. So there you go. Super easy single crochet. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, press that like button and subscribe. I release a tutorial video every Thursday. Sometimes it's basic stitches like this. Sometimes it's things like this cute little mushroom. Or it can be sometimes something like the tree of life. It could be all sorts. So yeah, every week there is a tutorial to help those who are beginners, to help those who are more advanced, so that we can all continue to learn and grow as crocheters and fibre artists. You can join me on my Patreon. I try to release at least one free pattern for all tiers every month, and you get behind the scene content. You get to vote on what tutorials you'd like to see next, or what projects you'd like to see me write patterns for and pull my hair out over. You can, that's for my paid patrons. You can join me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, where I will of course release these mini tutorials. And you can also join my Discord with the link in the description below. So yeah, join our Crochet Coven community. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!